Welcome to our quick comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the SMUG and the DUMOS. Both machines are designed to deliver ice quickly and efficiently, making them perfect for home use or outdoor gatherings. The SMUG model boasts the ability to produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, with a daily output of 26.5 pounds. It features a compact design and a convenient carry handle, making it portable for any occasion. On the other hand, the DUMOS model matches these specifications with a similar output and speed, but it also emphasizes its low-noise operation, making it quieter than a refrigerator. Both machines come with self-cleaning functions and are designed for ease of use. Let's dive deeper into their features and see how they stack up against each other. Both the SMUG and DUMOS ice makers excel in performance, producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This rapid production rate ensures that you have ice ready for your drinks in no time, making both machines ideal for parties or gatherings. With a daily output of 26.5 pounds, they are designed to meet the demands of any occasion. When it comes to noise levels, the DUMOS ice maker stands out with its operational noise rated under 40 decibels, making it a quieter option for home use. In contrast, the SMUG model does not specify its noise level, which may be a consideration for those sensitive to sound. If a peaceful environment is important to you, the DUMOS could be the better choice. Both ice makers offer user-friendly features such as auto-cleaning functions, which simplify maintenance. The SMUG model emphasizes portability with its lightweight design and handle, making it easy to transport. Meanwhile, the DUMOS model includes a transparent window that allows users to monitor the ice-making process, adding convenience to its operation. These features enhance the overall usability of both machines, catering to different user preferences. In conclusion, both the SMUG and DUMOS countertop ice makers offer excellent performance and convenience for ice production. While they share many similarities such as speed and daily output, the DUMOS model's low noise operation and transparent window may appeal to users looking for a quieter and more user-friendly experience. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.